As a marketing professional, I personally love the colours and the way everything's positioned, and it's all in its own places. Nothing looks disorganised. It looks like it's there for a purpose, and that's probably my favourite part. First impression was that, wow, it looks really good. It really stands out compared to everything else. Like I said, the colours really pop off. It really stands out, and it's probably one of the reasons why we got so much traffic, so much footfall to the stand. So it's been great. My personal opinion, I love it. Personally, with the flow, I love the way how it seamlessly flows, and it complements the stand very nicely. It doesn't look displaced, which is probably a really good thing because it all marries in together really well. I think in terms of delivering the message, it's been perfect. It's well illustrated, well printed, it's very clear, it's very bright. That's what we've been told, is that the brand is very vibrant, which is really good. The colours really stand out, especially in a hall full of like different stand, different booths, different colours. It really does stand out. So in terms of the stand perspective, you guys have been great. And in terms of all the implementation, getting everything organised, it's been amazing. Coming to an event and the stand's already there, it's beautiful. Man, I mean, we absolutely love it. The whole team was saying that. It's nice to come to an event knowing that everything's already set up for you and everything's in tip-top shape. It was really important because of one, if the stand's sustainable, we don't have to waste materials, which is really great. And also with the whole Go Green movement, it's perfect for what we needed in terms of reusing what we already have. And also you're not always changing messaging as well. So if you can reuse the same stand for another event, it helps everyone. The communication was clear, timelines were met, everything was pretty much laid out, and everything was followed to a T. For a stand company or contractor, Quadrant 2 Design is to go. Is the place to go, sorry.